Yep, in this video we'll learn how to remove click sound from samples. It doesn't matter the DAW you use, you will learn a thing or two from this video. Here's the sound. Ouch. Hope you can hear that. There's this click sound. You can hear that, right? So between one and the other, this is click sound. Hear that? So I will show you how to resolve that. It doesn't matter the DAW you use. So let's just take this first one for instance. In FL there's a special way to do it, but let's just look at these faders here so that everybody can follow up. It doesn't matter the DAW you use, you follow up. So we just put a fade out there, and we also need to put a fade in here. So hear it. Hear that? The click sound is gone. Let me remove the fades so that you hear it. You hear that? Let me look for somewhere that's worse. Alright. Here. There's even space. I'll take this fade out, then fade this in. Okay, so drag this here a little. Okay. So that's far better than where we started from, where everything was like this. I want to say that with faders, without faders will be like this. Ouch. With it's cleaner there. But for FL Studio, there's a special way to do it. I'll just take this fade out back. You come to this called the clicking mode. Yes, just put it here. Before I move any of the wave file here, let me put it at bar so that when I move them it should move like this. So I want to show you something. Look at the edge. So let me show you here. What's going on here is this declicking mode kind of creates its own fade out, but it creates it in a smooth way. Let me show you. So okay, let me put in the last one. See, creates a fade out here. It's very nice. That is too much. The more I go up, the more it reduces. So let me put it there. Okay, so let's hear the sound. I'll take this down. So I think I still need to do the fade in for the next one. So that should be, yeah, that's smooth. No more click sound. So that's how you remove click sound. This faders for more recent versions. Okay, so if you have maybe 10, 9, you should upgrade, man. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. It helps us a lot. You know, lately I've been finding it difficult to make new videos because people don't subscribe, so it's making it difficult for me. So when you subscribe, you help me help more people. Okay, so like the video if you like it, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when I put this on Pro Studio. That's it.